Hi and happy Easter. This is Rozani. Let's make a bunny face heart tag. First, draw a little outline of the bunny face that you want to create. Here we go. This could be painted on, but I decided to do this one in Papier Mâché. Now we're going to add Papier Mâché pieces with paper napkin and liquid starch. Please use a paper napkin, and the least expensive or cheapest is best. If you use a paper towel, it will not be the same. It'll be a little too thick to work with. In this case, just tear, dip, and shape. Place right on top of the little outline. Line everything up until you get a little face. I decided to use a papier mâché heart shape that I had. I'll build on top of it, just as you see here. So I hope you're getting the idea. It's quite easy to do. Just roll up the little shapes and keep it going until you get something that looks like a little bunny face. Now cover these pieces with one piece of paper napkin dabbed with liquid starch. Keep working with it and use a pick or a wooden skewer to help with the shapes, and then keep on going a little bit further. The face is shaping up. Now that I've gone this far, it has gotten very wet, so I'm going to be setting it aside to let it dry before going any further. Please check my Easter playlist for updates on part 2 of this project, where we'll be adding some more details. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.